Meet the human sound library, a man who can mimic over 200 sounds with astonishing accuracy. From realistic animal calls to everyday household noises, his talent brings joy to listeners everywhere. Growing up surrounded by nature, he honed his skills by imitating birds, insects, and even vehicles. His performances often leave audiences baffled and amazed at his creativity. This remarkable ability not only entertains but also raises awareness about the sounds of our environment, demonstrating just how much we take for granted.